The Beacon Award is huge for us because when Amy Welch, the director of our unit, first told me about it, I was super excited. The first in the country. Like, this is, nobody else has it. So if we didn't get it, it wouldn't be that disappointing because nobody else won. Nobody else has earned that accomplishment. But for us as observation, to earn this accomplishment is huge.
It's quite an honor. It's right up there with being a magnet nurse. You know, I said that's pretty awesome that our unit was chosen for that.
Of course, we had a lot of work that went into it, but the staff made it easy because they were the ones who put in the hard work for the patient outcomes, the staff satisfaction, sticking together as a team. But I think it's great. I think it's great recognition for the team. It gives them a thank you for all the work that they're doing.
I love our unit because we all work so well together, and to get this award, it just solidifies like how hard we work to maintain that environment on our unit. That environment of like collaboration and teamwork, that's what makes our unit so special. Sometimes even when the load is hard of the patients and it's a lot, having my coworkers, it makes the biggest difference. And I think it's special to be recognized for that.
We're kind of like a close-knit family. We work together very closely. We all have each other's phone numbers. We all, you know, cover for each other with, you know, assignments and everything.
For me, it's kind of family. We're really team-based, and everybody's, you know, really upbeat, and we help each other. Coming to work isn't a negative thing. Coming to work is a good thing where we are. Everybody kind of makes the best of the situation. Even during COVID, in the midst of the pandemic, we all just kind of pulled together and worked together, worked through it. We have great bosses, and there's a lot of teamwork.
I really think that it speaks to the teamwork. I mean, you cannot have a dysfunctional unit or a team that does not work together and succeed in that manner. Absolutely, I'm so proud of them.